Good evening, guys. This is your FS once again. It's been a month now I've posted on my YouTube channel. Sorry for that. I've been busy. So I'm back. So I'll be dropping my analysis, my market outlook, and the trade I've taken this week. Although last week I didn't take any trade because I didn't see a setup. Like my setup have not yet triggered. So this week now, this is the end of the week, so I had to do a video, and we're entering February, so I had to do a video of the trade I took this week. So I took a trade on CHF JPY. I took a trade on CHF JPY. Let me look for it. On CHF JPY. Okay, I think yes, I took this trade now on CHF JPY. So you can see the limit order. I called it out live on my Telegram channel. I told them to buy CHF JPY like this. You set their limit order on CHF JPY. So let me go to my trading view and do the breakdown of how I took the trade. So this trading view. Let me search CHF JPY. CHF JPY. This is CHF JPY. Wait, let it load. Let it load. My system is lagging, so just exercise more patience. Here you can see the trade. This is the trade. I called it live on my Telegram channel. Here you can see it. This is the buy limit. I told them to buy CHF JPY this week. Although this trade now, I've been waiting for this setup for about 2 weeks now. That's why I didn't take a trade last week. I didn't take a trade last week because all my setup did not form, and some of them that formed, some reacted off the fair value gap and went to my direction. Not all of them came to my entry point. So let me break this trade down for you guys. So I started my top down analysis from the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Sure you can see. Let me zoom it. This is the daily time frame. Let me just shift all this. This is the daily time frame. So as you can see now, in the daily time frame we are overall what bullish. We are bullish overall. So as I came into this trade, I saw in the daily time frame that we are bullish, and in this type of a bullish market, I will not be looking for a sell setup or a bearish setup. So I was just looking for a way to enter the market and join the buy. So as you can see, this a high high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and this what a higher low. We still have a what a higher high here. So looking at this structure now, we know that we are just having higher highs and higher lows because we are in an uptrend. So I came to this market, I was looking for a what a buy setup. So this is it. Let me remove it. So as I have come now, I should have entered this trade very earlier when it made this when it broke out from this high. When it broke out from this high here now. When it broke out from this range, this high here, I should have entered from this or from this. You get? I should have entered from this or from this. Although I didn't see the setup very early. So okay. This one should be around that time, 8 January. So I didn't see it. So although I saw this when it broke out from this high, I was waiting for the for the retracement so we can just buy. Market is very simple. So I came to my 4 hour time frame, to find my entries. Came to my 4 hour time frame to find my entries. So when this trade broke out from this high, now, from this high, here you can see when this trade broke out from this high, this is a Fibonacci. This is a Fibonacci and do what? And to this level. when this trade broke out from this side, I used my Fibonacci and check it to that level. You see that this Fibonacci now, it retraced from what? From the 78.6 level. From the 78.6 level, which is the what? The institutional level. This is the institutional level. So the 78.6. Had it been that this trade has come here, has come from this place and taken out this low. This trade came here, took out this low, this low. This low is an invalidation level because as it took out this low now, this low, you cannot be looking for a what? A buy setup because the market is what is looking like a what is looking like what to change what structure. So it did not take out the low. So I was just watching closely. Let me remove this Fibonacci. I was just watching closely, although I didn't see the setup very early. Or will I say I was not even minding the CHF JPY. So after this one, it's what retraced and delivered. After it delivered, it caused another break of structure from here. If you can see, this is a break of structure. Let me map it out. This is a break of structure. It's around this this is a break of structure. So this is a break of structure, and what after this break now, the thing retraced a little bit. It retraced a little bit. So let me just use that first retracement. Let me map out my Fibonacci. So in that first retracement, my Fibonacci was, and my 70% Fibonacci level was here, was just in this level. Let me just use my rectangle to map it out. The 70% Fibonacci was here. If you can remember vividly, the first leg that caused this break of structure, the Fibonacci was what? Let me use this as my Fibonacci. It was what? It was here. The Fibonacci was here. So as it did this, I was just following the trend. I don't wanted to enter maybe in the 61.8 or 50%. No, I was just waiting patiently to enter from that 70 something percent Fibonacci level. So it was here. So that Fib was here. So what did I do? It was very simple. I called it out live. I called it out live. Although I don't want to go to the maybe 1 hour time frame or the lower time because we have already gotten what we are seeing here. So I called it out. Although in the lower time frame I was just checking whether market want to change direction, but no, this one is not an invalidation level. See my invalidation level here because this now this low is lower, like this low now is lower than this low. Do you get? So that's it. Maybe it's people trading SMC will just take this thing as an inducement to their POI because inducement to liquidity to their point of interest. Do you get? So people trading SMC will use it as that. So let me remove it. So as market, I was just waiting patiently for about 2 weeks for this trade. I was waiting because this is more like a swing trade. Do you get? This trade is more like a swing trade. So the trade it did what I wasn't fearing that this trade may be like it's going to you know wait, let me put my order. Let me put my order. Just so I was even thinking like maybe this trade will even follow from here and buy. Although some of my trade did like that also. So but no, it didn't. Yeah, the trade entered into my 71% Fibonacci and went straight to my take profit. I even posted it on my Telegram channel today. I was updating them and I've been dropping trade back to back on my Telegram channel. So this was how I profited from this trade. Although I entered it on a profit account, not a real account though. I've been trading profit account for about 2 months now, not a real account. So see it here, live. Let me check my downloads and CHF JPY. You can see it. It cannot be, you know. So you can see it here. This was the trade live. Can you see? But let me show you my entry point once again. Let me show you my entry point once again. I've been backtesting and trading back to back. I'm still going to do more and more what videos. I'm going to be dropping back to back on my YouTube. I'm going to be dropping back to back on my YouTube. So you can see the trade. This is when I called the trade out. You see from the 50% and 7% Fibonacci level, it just helped me and keep my stop loss below my invalidation level and stretch my take profits. Just it's very simple. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video coming out. Thank you.